Alright, 2007 BMW X5 4.8i. How to replace the air conditioning compressor. Okay, you gotta take the fan out, the electric fan, the two coolant hoses off, and it's coming from the top. It's a little hard to do, but it's possible. You gotta take that bracket off, 3 bolts, the lines, and it should come out from the top. Since there's no information about this job, well, here it is. That's how you do it. Goodbye.